Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, so scroll down and you will see gallery is here. Click on gallery app and click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache gallery app. After clear cache gallery app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on files app and click on search file. After click on files app, so here showing you if you want to check hidden files, so click on documents, click on internal storage and here showing you hidden files. So after check hidden files, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so last option is check recycle bin. Click on gallery app. Click on recently deleted. So you will see check recycle bin. After check recycle bin, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix missing or disappearing photos on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.